Welcome to Impact. Headlines. Concerns of disruptions to trade from Middle East conflict. US economy in impressive growth. Global tourism rebounding to 90% of pre-pandemic levels. Last week, the ceasefire between Israel and Hamas ended. The conflict is now dragging in regional players, with Yemen attacking an American warship and commercial vessels in the Red Sea, while oil prices remain low on the uncertainty of the depth of supply cuts by OPEC Plus and over global fuel demand growth. There is concern that supply disruptions from the Middle East conflict will affect trade of other commodities via the Suez Canal. Impact on Sri Lanka. Supply disruptions result in increasing import costs and slowing export growth. Sri Lanka is keen to manage its balance of payments deficit through efficient trade. A slowing global economy hinders this. The US economy grew faster than initially thought in the third quarter. Rising 5.2% from a year earlier, Reuters noted that businesses built more warehouses and accumulated machinery equipment. However, it cautioned that momentum appears to have since waned as higher borrowing costs curb hiring and spending. Impact on Sri Lanka. The United States is Sri Lanka's largest export market. From January to August, exports to the United States fell to $1.8 billion, down 19% from a year earlier. A growing US economy significantly benefits the turnaround of the Sri Lankan economy. According to the World Tourism Organization, international tourism is on track to recover almost 90% of pre-pandemic levels by the end of this year. It estimates 975 million tourists traveled internationally between January and September 2023, an increase of 38% from a year earlier. It added that international tourism receipts could reach $1.4 trillion in 2023, about 93% of that of 2019. Impact on Sri Lanka. This is great news for Sri Lanka. In the first 11 months of 2023, almost 1.3 million visitors arrived in the country, significantly higher than a year earlier. 1.75 billion in tourism receipts have been generated, helping Sri Lanka's BOP deficit. And that's a wrap for this week.